को टैकल करते हैं. This is the third sum, right? If I'm not wrong, for this part.
थर्ड.
ठीक है, जो भी है, छोड़ो. ओके, फाइंड द स्लोप. हमेशा याद रखना, दो पॉइंट्स दिए हैं तो हम लोग कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे स्लोप का?
y1 upon x2 minus x1.
और अगर एंगल दिया है तो let's find the slope. So you have to find slope and inclination of line AB if A is equal to -3, -2 and B is equal to 1, 2. Second, A is equal to 0, -√3. B is equal to 3, 0. Third, A is equal to -1, 2√3 and B is equal to -2, √3. Okay? नहीं, सब पे करो. आप तो जीनियस हो, मुझे नहीं आता, मैं क्या करूँ? Yes, that's where I am faltering. Let's start. और आप क्या करोगे? इसका A को इसका B के साथ स्लोप निकालो और इसका A का स्लोप इसके B के साथ निकालो, फिर इसका और इसका निकालना. एकदम परफेक्ट आंसर आएगा. ओके,
हम लोग इसका बदला
इसके बाद आप लोग को देने वाले हैं. इसका अंदर टाइम नहीं आया और आप तो रहने ही दो. चलो आप भी रहने दो, ये कोई नहीं करेगा यहाँ पे. चलो, we have to find what? We have to find M and we have to find theta. Okay? So what do we have? What is the format that we have here? Point format. If we have point format, how will we find our slope? By this method. Okay? So by the second formula. So for the first equation, can I say slope is equal to M is equal to, ये y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 लिखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद substitution, ये तो marks नहीं मिलेगा. Is equal to y2 is how much? 2 minus -2 upon x2 is by how much? 1 minus -3. That is equal to 4 upon 4. That is equal to 1. Okay, so what is the slope? 1. So can I say tan theta is equal to 1? Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan
45.
Therefore, inclination theta is equal to 45 degrees. So what is the answer for first one? Slope is equal to 1, theta is equal to 45 degrees. ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा. Second part कर. Second part तक मैं कर दूँ, फिर उसके बाद ऐसा ही सब दूँगी. Let me do all the 3 parts. Okay. So here, what is in the second part? Slope is equal to, again we use the same format. That is equal to y2 क्या है इसका? 0 minus -√3 upon x2 minus x1. 3 minus 0. That is equal to plus √3 upon 3. Right? Plus √3 upon 3. What will you do? So अभी इसका करोगे क्या? ये किसी भी tan का वैल्यू है क्या? नहीं. We have to bring it to a tan value. So can I say this is √3 upon √3 into √3? That is equal to 1 upon √3. So can I say M is equal to 1 upon √3? That is equal to, नहीं, irrationalize. Rational था, irrational बना दिया इसको. So can I say is equal to tan theta? Directly बात मत करो, step by step. So therefore can I say tan of theta is equal to tan of 30 degrees. Therefore theta is equal to
30 degrees.
So what will be the answer for this one? M is equal to
1 upon √3.
and theta is equal to
30 degrees.
What about this is the last one I am doing. Now look, if for those who haven't understood, कौन है वो छुपा रुस्तम? Is equal to, बताओ जो अभी आप लोग बोलो जल्दी जल्दी.
√3 minus 3 minus 2 √3 upon the -2 minus 1 minus -1.
That is equal to -√3 upon minus and plus what is this? -2 plus 1 is -1. So minus 1 we are left with √3. So can I say M is equal to √3 is equal to tan theta? So can I say tan theta is equal to tan of
60. Theta is equal to 60 degrees.
अरे
3 minus 2 √3 होता है.
मैं बता दूँ तेरे पास है 2 हाथ. तूने उससे एक हाथी माइनस किया तो क्या हुआ? एक हाथी बचा ना. ये क्या है? इसका हाथी का टेल है. क्या है? दोनों हाथी है ना. टेल सेम है ना दोनों का. टेल सेम है तो माइनस प्लस कर सकते ये अगर 2 होता तो चलता तेरे को? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. सो टेल मी द आंसर्स. n is equal to any problem in understanding theta and m now? No issue. Very excellent. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी बात है ये. चलो सम करना शुरू.
ऐसा सही होगा ना ऐसे
एग्जैक्ट सेम क्वेश्चन भी सेम होगा, वैल्यूज भी सेम. चलो शुरू. Very good question. Find the value or values of k so that PQ is parallel to RS given P is 2,4, Q is 3,6, R is 8,1 and S is 10,k. I will solve. There are 3 parts to it. I will solve one part. After that, you solve it. What is the question? Always we have to understand the question. What do we have to? What have we been asked? Find the value of k so that PQ is parallel to RS. So can we safely assume that I will have to find the slope of PQ and RS, or PQ or RS, right? दोनों का slope same होगा कि नहीं? If PQ is parallel to RS, can I say the slope of both these are going to be same? So let me find the slope of PQ first. By what format will we find the slope of PQ? So can I say slope of PQ, or always write this m of PQ? समझेगा किसके slope की बात कर रहे हैं? Slope of, इसमें question लिखो. Slope of PQ is how much? Tell me. y2 minus y1 upon
x2 minus x1.
That is equal to
6 minus 4 is 4 upon minus 4.
2 upon
1,
that is equal to 2.
2,
What is the slope of PQ? Next step will be what? Do we have to find the slope of RS?
हाँ
निकालना तो पड़ेगा ही ना हम लोगों को. Slope of RS is equal to m of RS.
y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1.
That is equal to RS
So k minus 1
upon
upon
माइनस
10 minus 8 is equal to how much? K minus 1 upon 2. If these two lines are parallel to each other,
equal to 2.
so
तो इक्वल होंगे
So
तो
can I say 2 is equal to k minus 1 upon 2? So therefore k minus 1 is equal to 4, k is equal to.
to 5.
What if these two lines were perpendicular to each other? A condition where these two lines were perpendicular to each other. If these two lines were perpendicular to each other
2 into k
and perpendicular
1
parallel to RS, this is the first question, and the second is perpendicular to RS. Perpendicular होते तो क्या होता है?
2 into k minus 1
So can I say first you will have to write slope of PQ is equal to minus 1 upon slope of RS. Therefore we would get what? Slope of PQ is 2 is equal to minus 1 upon.
k minus 1 upon 2.
हाँ, this how much will this be? इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं हमको? So slope of RS is how much?
2 ही होगा k minus 1
5 minus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2. So can I say this will be equal to how would this? एक सेकंड, ये मैंने आपको जो समझाया ये एक सेकंड भूल जाओ. ये एक मेथड है. We cannot take the value substitution of k now over here. This is a separate question and the one that I asked here is a separate question. ये 2 और 2 तो दोनों का मिल गया, मतलब ये दोनों तो पैरेलल है ना. अभी अगर यही वैल्यूज दिए हुए हैं हमको, we will have to find the value. These two values are given to me, but now they are perpendicular. So what would I write? M of PQ is equal to 1 upon M of RS.
minus 1.
Minus 1 upon M of RS. So 2 is equal to minus 1 upon K minus 1 upon 2. That is equal to minus 2 or 2 upon 1 minus K. Minus को मैंने इधर इसमें ले लिया. So can I say 2 minus 2K is equal to 2? So 2K is equal to 2 minus 2. K is equal to 0. क्या किया मैंने? K 0 आता. So if the lines were perpendicular to each other, the value of K would be 0. If the lines were parallel to each other, the value of K would be 5. Now do these two sums that I am giving you. Same formula.
मैम